being the other person on this side is different.
Oh yeah, I know. Yeah, you're not gonna hurt my feelings.
Yeah.
Froggy flip.
Hi.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Good, thanks. Hi. Hi. Hi.
He's
Hi.
been our greeter all along.
Oh, he's a sweetie. Hi, buddy.
Mom, I think your car's there. If you don't want to move it, you don't have to. I will.
Okay, what time is it?
Probably about 9:30-ish.
Buddy. Nice.
Parker. Ruthie, come back here. Parker, quit that.
How much are these records here?
They're $1 each.
Okay.
Parker.
Oh, you $4.
3?
Four.
Oh, 4. I had $60 on that. I kept going down.
I got you.
Down.
Pretty neat. Do you know when it's from?
No, I don't know. Well, it was my dad's. I don't know.
Oh, okay.
My dad died, I don't know, last year. But he had it for a long, long time.
Did he?
That's all I know.
Would you do 25 on that and the 4 records?
Yeah.
Okay.
Unless I could interest you also in a bra.
I think I'm good.
Okay. Yeah, I think you are too.
I'm out of ones. Do you have?
I do. Oh, I have to go get my money.
Okay.
Forgot to come out with that. Yes, you keep shopping before I give you your money back. You just keep shopping.
It's kind of a neat footstool.
It's the good old-fashioned heavy. You
Yeah,
know what
it
I mean?
is.
It's not those cheap. I mean, you know, it's old.
Yeah, it is neat.
Okay, there you go.
Thank you so much.
I thank you. Ask me if I would take that 5 I just gave you for that. Just ask me.
Would you?
I would.
Deal. Let's do it. Thank you so much. That'll work. All right, see you, buddy. See ya.
That. You can probably tuck this under.
Yeah, I think I got it. Thank you so much.
Thank you. You have a good day.
Thanks, you too.
Our first sale of the day. It's a good time.
Oh, nice. Okay. You got a lot, don't you?
We do, indeed.
How much you have on the ambulance?
20.
20? Okay.
Make me an offer. I just need this stuff gone.
Okay. Let me think about that for a sec. I do like knives.
You know what we didn't do, Bob? Those machetes that are in the sunroom.
Okay.
Those big knives that are in the sunroom.
Yeah, okay.
How much you asking on the knives?
15 a piece. Take them all in the case for 60. It's 10 a piece in the case.
Yeah, I'll do that.
I thought you might.
I'm a sucker for knives.
It's a good deal. We'll sit it right there.
Okay, that'll work.
Let's have some empty hands. I zipped your knife bag up.
Okay.
I will.
Thank you.
I've got 4 of those chairs you were looking at here.
Oh, those back there?
Yeah, I've got a set of 4. You finding any goodies? I can hang on to that for you.
Yeah, I found a couple of pins. Just so much you don't want to miss anything.
It's a lot in here. You just about have to go through it.
All right, so we had 60 on the set of knives, and then where would we be with the toys?
Make me an offer on toys. I mean, I know what they're worth, but
Let's see, you had said 20 on the ambulance. If we did the ambulance too, would you do like 100 for everything?
yeah, I need my garage empty. Yes, I will.
Okay, that'll work.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Throw those in there. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Have a great day. Good luck.
Good luck with that.
Thank you. Morning.
5 for tomorrow.
Morning.
How you doing?
Good. How are you?
So these are pretty much priced like what they're gonna be on the backs and stuff.
Oh, okay. Cool.
But like, if you're a reseller, there's headroom to make money.
Okay.
If you're a collector, it's good prices.
Gotcha. That's the fair way to do it.
I do both. So.
Yeah.
And if you're looking for anything like specific, let me know. I got a big room.
Oh, okay. Any old cartridge games or anything?
Mm-hmm.
Do you?
Well, I got a few. I got a few SNES games, and I got some regular Nintendo games.
Oh, do you?
SNES games. So, if you want me to get those, I'll go get them. I'll bring them out, but I got some of them listed on like eBay and stuff.
Okay. I mean, I don't mind looking at them.
Yeah.
If you don't care.
No. This bag is $10.
Oh, okay.
Just the whole bag.
Oh, cool.
This one I just sold.
Yeah. Right on.
There's nothing like crazy.
It's cool to see them though.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was my favorite right there. What would you be thinking on all this right here?
All of it?
Yeah.
Let's see. You want sleeves too, obviously.
Yeah.
You want this too, or just this?
I was thinking these two, but
Okay. I'll do 5 of them. But I know that's a pretty decent game. I want to be under price for you. garage sale, being the other person on this side is different.
Oh yeah, I know. Yeah, you're not gonna hurt my feelings.
Yeah. I know these are pretty like normal, but these are pretty decent. Get like mid-tier games. And I know like this could be if you're reselling that's good, and this is good. This is okay. Final Fantasy you think is better, but it's okay. Man, in my mind I got like 70. But that's because I know what I got. You know what I mean? But
any chance you do 50 cash and then you're done with them?
I can do 60 cash.
$60.
And that's, I mean, this probably, I mean,
sure.
If it's me, I get it back there.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, I'll do
that's
60.
if I were you.
Cool.
Yeah, I'll do that.
I appreciate you working with me.
No problem.
There you go, man.
Appreciate it.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, you have a good day.
Thanks, you too. Anything listed you gotta take down?
Nah, these are the two.
Okay.
Let me just go over it again. And then the Batman, I think I got listed, but it's been up there for a while.
Okay.
RC Pro is a good one too. Nope, you're good.
Okay, man. Appreciate you.
Yeah, you have a good day.
Thanks, you too.
What's your name?
Anthony. All right, guys, we made it back home. Found some really fun stuff at garage sales today. Had to pay up for some of it, but there was some, in my opinion, some pretty quick flips involved. So that's okay when that happens. In fact, when I got home, I listed quite a bit of it, and some of it's already sold, so that's definitely a good sign. But real quick, let me show you what I picked up to resell. At the first sale, I think I'm all in $30. Grab some records. These are all going to the antique booth. There's Ringo Starr, Willie Nelson Sings Christofferson. There's a Saturday Night Live LP and Southern Fried Rock. Records sell like crazy in my booth, and these should all sell for between like $5 and $8 a piece. So I'll probably get those there tomorrow. And then I grabbed this John Deere cast iron tractor. It's in a really good condition. There's no maker's marks or anything on it. I see stuff like this a lot at garage sales, being from Indiana, but most of the ones I see are these smaller ones like this. This one is actually huge, so I did pay up a little bit for it. I think it's like almost a foot long, and it's really heavy. I think I paid somewhere around 20. I mean, hopefully I can get at least like 40 to 50 out of it. We'll see, but the paint is in pretty spectacular condition compared to a lot of them that I've seen, so I do have high hopes for it. And then I paid $5 for this old footstool. It's got like an American Eagle decal on it. Just thought this was really neat. I do see one that sold recently on eBay, made by Williams. I guess that's probably who this is by. It was in worse condition, and it sold for like 50 plus shipping. I can't decide if I'm going to take this to the booth or if I'll try to sell it on eBay, but I just thought it was really cool. I'm sure someone out there is going to want it. I love the green color on it. At the next sale, I was $100 all in. Got all this, plus all these like trucks and trailers right here. A bunch of old Nylon trucks and Tonka trucks. I think this might be like a Buddy L or something. Yeah, Buddy L. These things are great shelf filler for the antique booth. As soon as I put one of these on the shelf, by the time I go back, it's gone. So I think most of these I should be able to price for between like 10 and 15 bucks a piece. Maybe some of the smaller ones a little bit less, but there's definitely some money there. Most of them, like with the condition and everything, wouldn't be worth selling online, but having the booth, I figured why not. This one though, I did list on eBay. This is a 1970s Tonka ambulance. It doesn't have any of the figures with it, unfortunately, but it does still have the gurney. The sliding door works, the roof works, the back door works. It does have some rust and stuff on it, but most of them do from this time period. I did already list this for $59.99 plus shipping. I'm hoping I get at least 40 bucks out of it. I put best offer on, so we'll see. I think it would be a great candidate for a restoration piece because the rust is pretty minimal on it, so happy to pick that up. A couple little buttons, I always like finding these. And here's a vintage Delta Airlines wing pin. I think that should sell for probably 10 or 15 bucks. And then we have these knives. I paid 60 bucks for all the knives. I kind of thought that was a good deal because a couple caught my eye. So what we have here, these two are pretty much junk. Those will probably get put into like some sort of junk drawer lot or maybe my next Goodwill donation, I don't know. But this is one of the better ones. This is a Buck Creek Bobcat made in, is it Solingen, Germany? I might pronounce that wrong. I don't usually say this stuff out loud. This one I listed today and it sold within about an hour for like 60 bucks plus shipping. So this one's going out tomorrow and that pretty much pays for all the knives, which is pretty cool. This is a vintage Gerber Escort knife, the scrimshaw style. This particular knife doesn't show up very often on eBay, but according to WorthPoint, when it does, it sells for around 60 bucks. There's none available now. There hasn't been for quite some time, so I have it listed for $69.99 plus shipping, and I figure the first $50 offer I get or more, it's gone. But that's a pretty cool little knife right there. And then we have this German bull. It's kind of a muskrat style knife with the stag handle. I listed this one today for I think like 38 or 39 bucks plus shipping, and it already has some watchers on it, so feeling pretty good about that one. And the last good one is this Schrade old timer. I think it's a model 80T. Pretty good condition. It could use a little cleaning, but it's a vintage model made in New York, and I think I have this one listed right now for right around 30 plus shipping. That seems pretty accurate as far as the comps on the vintage models go. So definitely a good deal on the knives, especially since they're basically already paid for. So pretty cool there. And the last sale, got some Nintendo games. No huge titles in here, and obviously I was dealing with someone who resells. So in that regard, I am pretty happy that I was able to come to a deal with him that was fair for both of us. But I think there was like 22 or 23 games. There's like a Genesis game too that's pretty much worthless. But what I did was I pulled out the 3 best games, the ones that were worth like 20 or more. But the rest of the games here, I think there's like 19 left. I put up as an untested lot on eBay. Sold pretty quickly for 90 bucks plus shipping. Probably could have went a little bit higher, but I mean really there's nothing spectacular in here at all. I'm pretty happy to already be in the profit with very little work. But then we have Mortal Kombat 2 for SNES. It's in almost perfect condition. Super Dodgeball for NES and Final Fantasy for NES. I think I have this one listed right now for 30 plus shipping. I think I have Super Dodgeball listed for 20 plus shipping. And I think I have Mortal Kombat listed for like 23 plus shipping. And those are all pretty much in line with like mid-tier comps. Like not the cheapest on there, but definitely not the most expensive either. And I think that these should sell within a couple days or so. This definitely isn't some sort of mega home run, but it was pretty much instant profit, and I'm okay doing something like that because within a couple hours I had more money than what I started with, and that's pretty exciting. All right guys, so that's all I got for you this time. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching the video, but until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, love ya, bye. When they hear that cha-ching and they all look at me, I guess they'll know I'm buying this crap.